Okay, so we're going to show you how to do a dumbbell reverse lunge. So dumbbells are tight against the body. You could have them like this, or alternatively, you could have a goblet where it's holding onto this. Today we're just having them out at the sides. One leg is kicking back. Good. And this knee is not traveling forwards. How it is right now is perfect. Before she lifts up, she's thinking a little bit toe pressing against the ground and the heel. So the back leg, as you notice, she's not propelling herself forwards. It's nice and slow and controlled. It's just acting as a stabilizer to hold her up. So imagine that this back leg is just kind of floating against the ground. For this purpose, it actually is touching against the ground, but this leg is doing all the work, and it should be in the hamstrings and the glutes. So as she comes forward, she's squeezing and contracting the glutes and the hamstrings. Perfect. The only other thing we're going to throw in there now is make sure the ribs are stacked on top of the hips for every single movement. So this is how you do a reverse lunge with dumbbells.